easy, wasn't it? I've just
stick the tablet to the wall. Good idea. Bad idea? Good idea.
I don't know. Here we go. Look at the texture. Can you see the lines that have run through it? There we go.
Yeah, there you see it.
There we go. You can see them lines, and that gives it that extra strength. So now on this box that I'm going to do, I'm just going to add some glitter. Really, really simple. This is beautiful. Great for Christmas presents, projects that you can do. It's safe for kids as well. So it's completely acid free. Use it on your scrapbooking. Won't affect your photos whatsoever. It's a fabulous medium, and also I just love using it because of the strength, because of how durable it is. You know, there's nothing worse than when you send a card to someone and you go and visit them and they've still got your card up because they love it so much. But guess what? Where they've had their heating on all over Christmas, bits have started dropping off. It's not nice. Oh. It does happen. It does happen. And it's because
do your baubles with this.
Yeah, it's because of the heating that the actual tape, the stickiness just comes off. So you don't need to worry about that anymore because this won't come off.
Weatherproof.
There we go. So that's my box. Ready to go. So now I'm just going to put my box together. Really quick and easy. And I'm done. It's great. Completely just use tape and then it's all done for you. So I'm just putting my box together. Really quick and simple. Ready to go.